welcome to winemastery.co.uk. My name's John Lightfoot. This is
John Murphy.
And we're here to tell you all about wine, hopefully help you find the wine, if not the wines, that you will absolutely adore. Wines for every occasion, wines for when you're just popping round to a friend with a bottle for a quick chat, wines that you actually want to sit by the fire and just actually maybe consume on your own, maybe with a little bit of cheese or some other form of nibble. Something, hopefully, we will help you find that you will enjoy in the coming years. Isn't that what we're going to do, John?
That's exactly what we're going to do. That's exactly what I hope we have been doing.
Oh, quite so. Hopefully we have. Let us know. Give us the comments. Let us know how we're doing. So, in this particular episode, we are going to taste a Shiraz, also known, John, as a Syrah.
Yes, that's correct, yes. I think in France they call it Syrah. Exactly the same grape.
And this one is grown in California, USA, and it is produced by Barefoot. Now, Barefoot is a big global brand, so wherever you're viewing this, I'm sure you will be able to get your hands on a bottle to try this after you've watched the review. Or indeed, you can replay it and taste it with us if you wish. That'd be nice. Don't you think that's...
No, I think that'd be lovely. I mean, that's how I got so excited. Yeah, but please do. Yeah, give us a shout. We'll have a glass together.
So let's get on with it then, shall we?
Yes, let's.
So on the colour, it's quite deep in colour, isn't it? There's not much light getting through that. It's not very translucent. It looks like it's pretty heavy. And would you expect that sort of colour with a...
Yeah. I mean, that's looking good.
Yeah?
Looking good. It is. I mean, it's almost got. I'm not seeing a purple rim, but it's quite a purple, colourful stop.
Yeah.
I think.
Yeah, it's pretty. Yeah, right. I can't see any purple rim. It's pretty rimless as far as that's concerned, isn't it?
I think it has a purpley kind of colour in general, not just the rim.
A hue.
Yeah. Oh, actually, as I'm doing that, I can kind of smell it from there.
What, purple?
No, the nose of the wine. But let's get straight in. Have a go.
I don't want to get excited or anything, but I think I've got wood here. Can you get wood?
You carry on, just give me a minute. I know.
I got definitely. It's just that sort of like, that oaky little. Actually, I'm not getting past that now. I can't even smell the fruit because I'm so focused on that.
See, I'll be honest. You may be focused on wood, but I'm on the fruit.
You're on the fruit. Okay.
I'm focused more. Excuse me, sorry. Yeah, I'm focusing more. Well, it's not that I'm focusing more, but
that's what you're getting.
Yeah, I'm getting blackcurrant. I'm getting spice. Everything stereotypical you would expect in a Shiraz. That's what I'm getting from the nose on there. But unfortunately, John, no words. No words.
You can't smell wood.
No. And I'm really good at that usually.
I wonder whether it's French oak.
John, honestly, couldn't tell you.
Nor could I. I'm just so pleased I was able to get wood. Really, I was.
I suppose you get to an age and...
Yeah, well, your nostril does.
Yeah,
yeah.
It needs more strength. No, I'm not. I'm not even going to entertain it. Right.
So should we have a little taste
Yeah,
now?
let me catch my breath a little bit first, John.
Okay,
right,
well, I'm going to have a taste while you have a catch your breath.
You go for it.
That's quite soft, getting cherry. I still can, actually, very pleased to say, detect that wood. Tannins are quite... Actually, I thought they were going to go heavy, and then they were there, and then they're just hanging around, but not as severe as when they started. And now the taste is diminishing. So the length isn't particularly long, but the initial taste wasn't bad at all, actually. Cherries, so pretty, well, down to what you were saying, John, pretty fruit driven there to begin with.
Okay.
with just that edge of wood.
I didn't taste that then.
Did you not?
No.
You're supposed to taste it.
I know,
and swallow
but
it.
I know just something
You're supposed to-
came over me there for a second, so we have a little
You
bit.
shouldn't just swallow it.
Right, so let me have a go. Oh, let me go then. Right. Oh. Okay. There's a couple of things.
Okay.
Number one, yeah, that blackcurrant comes through, which is good on the nose. You know, I expect that, and it is a little bit. It's quite a bit of flavour that hits you to begin with. But I'm noticing that almost falling straight off a cliff to more or less nothing, and just leaving you with tannins in there, which then probably makes you want to drink a little bit more because you think, you know, your mouth is not feeling good with that. The whole texture, the whole mouthfeel is not good. And then have a little taste, hit again by blackcurrant, but then just go straight off again.
Straight off. I'm just going to check. Excuse the paper raffle. I'm just trying to see how much alcohol content there is in it. If I can, 13%. So it's quite light, isn't it? For a Shiraz.
Yeah. But for the initial, what you get from there, I mean, don't get me wrong. It looked good. It smelled good. Flavour-wise, I'm not going to say it's bad. Not for a minute, but it's a bit meh. You know, it's kind of all right. It is. This is the kind of wine which, you know, when you have got friends around and you're having a good kind of drinking session and such, you know, you get your nice stuff out, and then as it gets late on in the evening, you kind of just gonna fob them off on that. That's how I would describe it. So it's not. I'm not being awful by saying that, but this wouldn't be my first choice.
No, because I mean, obviously, with good wine, people are going to be sort of, you know, enjoying it and be able to concentrate on it. But once the wine's flown for sort of been sort of pouring out for a while, they're going to sort of, you know, your concentration, you know, you get happy in your concentration on the taste. You know, you're just then into enjoying the moment rather
more about the friend, the company.
The event than it is about the wine then. So I think that's good advice. Having said that, $6.75. I'm actually surprised that it's as good as it is. Only because it's like a big global brand. It's made to, I imagine, it's made to a price point, and therefore I wasn't expecting it to be as nice as that. But you know, if someone gave that to me at a party or wherever, a glass of wine, you know, I'm not going to turn my nose up at it.
No, I wouldn't be offended.
No.
At it whatsoever. And as I say, it's a big global brand. But you know, we have in the past tasted wines at $7.50. So you're only talking not even a pound more, which have been really, really good.
Yeah.
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 Again, that's but then it's all coming down to personal taste and the research as well. You know, obviously, John and I are tirelessly trying wines.
We are.
All the time to help you on your wine journey. And you know, when put against some of those other ones we have tasted at $7.50 compared to that at $6.75, I'd make, you know, there's decisions I would make.
Yeah, yeah. You know, if you've got, yeah. Obviously, you know, and again, it does come down to personal taste. You know, the ones that we would recommend at sort of, you know, the £7, £7.50 mark. You know, you may well prefer these, and that's absolutely totally fine. It's down to your taste. All we can do is let you know what we think and what we experience when we smell and we taste it. So, well, let's give this a mark, John.
Okay.
Score on the scoreboard. Do you want me to start?
It's completely. Yeah, I'm quite confident in my marking already.
Okay, go for it.
Well, I'm going to, you know, because it had got. I relate this to what the actual grape is, and on the nose, I was thinking, yeah, that has got the Shiraz-esque flavour, not so much. How I actually enjoyed it was quite low, so I'm going to take this down to a 65.
Okay, well, I was going to go Soissons-Neuf.
Beg your pardon?
69.
All right. I bet you would after this episode. Well, we're not far off there, not far off. I think we're thinking on the same sheet there, because we're not being awful in any shape or form, but it's just not...
No. It's a nice wine. You know, no complaints about it if it was given to me. But you know, as we've said, there have been others that, you know, at the same sort of price bracket that I would personally buy. You know, given the choice.
Yeah.
Okay, well that covers that one, I think.
I think so.
Thank you very much. And by the way, while John was talking there, I just checked. It has got some wood, and it is American and Hungarian oak that it's been. What do you say? Not stored, but it's
Matured.
Matured in. Thank you very much. So I'm surprised at a Hungarian because I wouldn't have. No, I'm joking.
Well done for picking up the full stop. You know, I didn't get that now.
I didn't even get oak. I just knew it was wood.
Oh.
So. So until the next time. But if you haven't already, please subscribe. If you like this comment or if you have any questions, please leave a comment below. That also helps us get up the ratings in YouTube, helps other people find us. Please click the thumbs up if you enjoyed this particular episode. Click the bell if you want to see the next one we've got coming out. I'm sure you will. See you there. Until then, chin chin.
Chin chin.